Today, let's learn how to fix Spotify not playing music on phone. So whether you're using iOS or even an Android device, the Spotify application will work. Or rather, this solution will work on both devices. So of course, watch this video until the end and let's learn how to get there. So first of all, let's head onto Spotify itself. And basically, if you want to play some songs over here, what happens if, well, the music is not really playing and it's going to take it's going to take some ramp-up time for the music to actually play in your devices. Well, what you could do is actually double-check if you have a stable internet connection. Because that could be the problem if you don't have a stable internet connection with the Wi-Fi, your local internet service provider. Spotify may not be able to play your favorite songs since Spotify is an application that depends on Wi-Fi to play its music. You could also actually disable your Wi-Fi and turn on your cellular data to actually test if that connection is better than your Wi-Fi. And of course, whichever works for you depending on your location and how fast your internet and data speeds are. Of course, it's going to depend on you obviously, and just choose which one is going to work best for you. So basically, once you have chosen which one works best for you, and of course you have a stable connection with the Wi-Fi data or internet, you may now use Spotify and possibly solve that problem in the case that the problem is still not working. Of course, make sure that you have your volume all the way up so that you may hear this sound in the case that it is still not playing. Maybe you have a bug with the application itself, and if in the case that it is a bug, and of course the solution that I just mentioned still doesn't really fix that problem, you could head on and actually delete the application from your application, or rather from your devices, and reinstall the program once again. So of course, if you want to reinstall it, you search for Spotify over here on your app stores. Spotify FI, and of course we install the program by just clicking on this button over here. Now, since I do have the application installed, all I have to do is just click on open, and of course I have to open. I have the option to open the application again. Okay guys, of course, please comment down below if this works. I'll see you guys.